Hi students, a close examination of I Don't Want to Set the World on Fire is worthy of a second look, mainly because of the chords. This week I did a kind of a slow motion way to practice, and I'm going to emphasize that again right now. So the chords that we're talking about are these diminished chords. On the first fret, it's A flat diminished seventh, and I suggested it would be probably easier to play them with separate fingers. 1, 2 on the first fret of the fourth, and the second finger on the first fret of the second string, and then the ring finger on the second fret of the third string, and the pinky on the second fret of the first string. So you've got odd and even. And that's the chord. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. Kind of a hashtag. And now that's the first line. You have F. I don't want to set the world on fire. That's a G minor. First finger, second finger, third finger. So very slowly, and I think I have this at 40. A 1, 2, first line. I don't want to set the world on fire. So let's look at the sheet. So I had the F. Now the F here where it says F over A, that's the same chord. That's the same. So you just stay with the F. Then you place those fingers down. I really think you should put the first 2 fingers down first on the first fret, and then the second 2 fingers on the second fret, just a millisecond after. 2 strums and then G minor. And that's 6 strums. It's a measure and a half. Then you have this B flat minor, which is in essence a bar chord. And I would put the first finger over all the strings, double up your second finger on top, and then your ring finger is here on the 3rd fret of the G string. And it's 1 beat. I just want a place in your... Then you have the F again. Now the diminished chord slides up to the 2nd and 3rd frets. And you have a G minor 7th, which is first finger on these 2 strings and that finger, to a C7. So, I just want to set a fire in your heart. Let's look at that now as I play it again very slowly. So this is this is the second line. So I'm going to start right on that lyric. So the bar chord is set at 3, 4. I just want to start a flame in your heart. In my heart I have but one desire. 6 counts. And that one is you. No other will do. Now, that chord, the B flat 7th, is a little bit trickier because I've always said that when you play bar chords on the first fret, you have the extra added tension of the nut that's raising the string. So you have that just you. It's an F precedes it, then all fingers down, all strings pressed. So it's this and that finger. Yeah, and then the next part, that let me look at the note. I've lost all ambition. C minor 7th to F 7th. So C minor 7th we know. And the F7 is like the G minor, only over a string. F7, the 1, 2, 3, is identical to the G minor, only it's over a string. And then C minor 7th, I would eliminate that isolated pinky on the 5th fret. It stands out too much. It sounds, I think it sounds more musical. I've lost all ambition, ba-da-da. You're the one, B flat. Then the D minor 7th to G 7th. Let's look at the actual bridge. So it's I've lost all ambition. Sorry. B flat, B flat, B flat, B flat, B. Now the D minor. I'd have reached the goal I'm dreaming of, believe me. Now the D minor 7th to G 7th, that's a real easy swivel. So here you have the D minor. First finger stays, and the fingers 2 and 3 just swivel over. So you have that. Yeah, super focus on those chords, the diminished, and then the bar. Yeah, and then when you play the C, when you play the B flat, you're home free. All right, have fun with that.